Okay, so what am I doing today? Well, today I am mixing peanut butter. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! Now, if you were to buy something like this Skippy peanut butter, you don't have to mix it yourself. It's already nice and soft and it's easy, and you can just run right to it and eat it. But if you are buying something like this, almond butter, all the other types of butters, you have to mix it. Usually it has like 3/4 of an inch of oil on the top. So what you do is you scrape it out of a jar like I did here. See, there's nothing left in that jar. And then down here you get I'm using a large tablespoon, and you're going to mix it in with the oil. Now the reason you do this is because you want to incorporate all the oil back into the peanut butter. So it takes a little bit of time, which is some reason why people turn around and buy this, because this is a lot easier. But this has sugar in it, and this probably doesn't. Let's see what it has. The ingredients are dry roasted almond and salt. That's it. So there's no sugar in it. So this is just now. The problem with this is costly. This jar costs pretty close to $10 at Sam's Club with my special discount and all that. And you can spend even more money than that if you go to different stores. So you have to shop for it. If you find it for less than $10, you have a deal. So grab it. The other thing you can do is you can get yourself a Vitamix, a very, very durable mixer, and make your own. Now I have never done that, and I do plan to make a video to make your own butters, because they're really easy. You can control the amount of salt you want to put in. If you want to put sugar, you can make it sweeter, or in my case it would be vegan sugar, but you control everything. So I don't believe I saw any. It just says dry. It doesn't have any. It does say it's made from California almonds, and it says oil separation can occur naturally. Be sure to mix thoroughly before each. Alright, so that's basically it. So once it's all mixed, then it's just a matter of getting it all back in. You can use the same spoon as I did to mix it with, or you can use a larger spoon. I don't use a funnel because then I have two things to clean. I just kind of do this, and it will separate. It will make it a little bit harder. All these butters are a little bit difficult, but they're so well worth it. And then of course, you know, if you don't clean your bowl, maybe you get to have that as a special treat for doing this for yourself. Now it's very high calorie. I'm not even kidding you here, because as much as we'd like to think that there's protein in this, there sure is a lot of fat too. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here. No, I'm not eating all this. I'm going to put it on my sandwich. And so I have one sandwich here. This is a sheepherder's bread. And I'm going to just grab a spoonful and put it right on top. And Linda likes a nice thick coat, so I'm going to make sure she has a thick coat. But you don't want to have too many drips. You want to be able to enjoy your almond butter, because if it drips everywhere, then it just gets on your clothes and everything else, which is okay. I mean, if you don't mind that. So I'm just a manager. So that's what she's going to get. This is an almond bread all ready to go. And just to give you a little bit more, I've got mine over here. I'm going to be putting jam in mine, so you just get it from the, and I'm just laying on top of here. Everybody's calling today. Okay, and we're just going to push this in. Okay, and you would think TJ would be around me, but he's not here. Okay, and that's it right there. And that's going to be my bread. Then the rest of this you just scrape it out in your spoon and you put it back in the bowl. And another good way of doing this is to use a spatula, which I probably will have to do that. Okay, so put the spoon over here on the sandwich. And we just use this spatula. Let's see if I can show you. Back in the bowl right here. And I'm just grabbing bits of the pieces of it. Alright, so that's basically it. There's nothing in this bowl left to even make anything with. So now you see how easy it is to mix your pre-mixed peanut butter. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.